ఊహ తెలియని వయసులోనే తన బుడిబుడి అడుగులతో డాన్స్ వైపు వెళ్ళి 6 ఏళ్ల వయసులోనే నాట్య అభ్యాసన స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఎన్నో అవార్డ్స్, ఎన్నో ప్రదర్శనలు. న్యూజెర్సీ యుఎస్ఏలో శ్రీయం ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ డాన్స్ స్థాపించిన నిరుపమ వెంకటేశన్ గారు. హార్టీ వెల్కమ్ నిరుపమ గారు.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నాను. మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
నేను చాలా బాగున్నాను. We are honored to have you in this show. Welcome to Dance for Soul.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure to be here.
నిరుపమ గారు, ఎలా స్టార్ట్ అయింది? 6 ఏళ్ల వయసులోనే మీరు డాన్స్ అభ్యాసన స్టార్ట్ చేశారు. సో ఇట్ ఆల్ ఏదో ఒక పాయింట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్. ఇంట్లో ఎవరైనా ఉన్నారా ఫ్యామిలీలో డాన్స్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళు? అది
to say actually my mother has been the most instrumental in me pursuing dance as a career. Chinnappudu amma she worked in a school called Andhra Association School, which was for the Telugus in Kolkata, and akkada lot of cultural activities my mother used to keep organizing, annual day or any cultural festival, Navaratri. So my mother was always, choreographing, concept create chestundi, and adilo she would always include me, like in some or the other form. And alage my sister also used to learn dance, and intlo all the time Carnatic music would play. So a thriving, a nourishing environment వాళ్ళు ఇచ్చారు మాకు. And it started there. I think I don't even know what point it started. It was always there, as I was born, that environment was always there for me.
Yeah. మీ మదరే ఇందులో ఉన్నారంటే డెఫినెట్లీ యూ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ హ్యాడ్ అ స్టాంప్డ్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ డాన్స్ లో.
Amma was not a professional dancer kadu. She just had lot of passion for music and dance. Alage ma nana also, he had lot of passion for music. So it just came naturally. Lot of things happened very naturally without trying to do it consciously. Alage going for Bal Vihar. When I was a kid, I used to go in Bal Vihar. So lot of cultural events were always happening. My school could a national high school for girls. Any cultural like Navaratri or Krishnashtami or Ramanavami, all these events baga celebrate chestaru, and andlo singing and dancing must. All the time I am the first girl to give the name for everything. So I think our environment made the foundation for me to find my area for expression for my love for dance.
Wow, yeah. Wonderful and wonderful start. So dance profession choose చేసుకునేటప్పుడు obviously there will be a slight confusion. So how did you handle that?
See, when I was growing up, like I said, I was always dancing. A profession ga తీసుకోవాలి అని I did not learn. I just learned because I could not stop myself from learning. And any avenue, any workshop, any performance, I will always be the first person to give my name. So when I started doing that, when I'm also a doctor of homeopathy. So my main profession is that I'm a doctor of homeopathy. And when I was in India, I was practicing. And I was working in a government hospital also as a medical officer. And side by side, after my Ranga Pravesha, I had started teaching koncha, small kids, 4-5-year-olds. And my teacher encouraged me, motivated me. Always she would tell me, you can do it, Nirupama. That is the one line my teacher always, Srimati Rajalakshmi Venkateshwar, she always told me. So alage, I think slowly, steadily, she prepared me to be a teacher, even without me realizing. So when I moved to USA in 2011 December, natural ga I was like, oh, India lo ento sari I was doing dance as an assistant teacher to my teacher, and I was also running my own school. But ikkada vachi it just happened very naturally that I had to do a dance lekapothe I cannot exist. So I had to, and now I realize looking back, nenu plan cheyaledu, but I think because I wanted it so deeply from my heart, it just kind of gave me the opportunity.
Very nice అండి. అంటే there is a reason for every happening అంటారు కదా. So there is a strong reason behind this too. అండ్ మీ జర్నీ ఫ్రమ్ డాక్టర్ టు డాన్సర్ గా ఇట్ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ బీన్ అ ఫ్యాబులస్ వన్, బట్ స్టిల్ చాలా స్ట్రగుల్స్ ఉండుంటాయి. హౌ డిడ్ యూ డీల్ విత్ ఆల్ దోస్ స్ట్రగుల్స్?
I think, see, for me, like I am saying again, I don't look at it as a struggle. Hard work undi, but passion, when there is passion, that work doesn't seem like a struggle. But sometimes, okay, some choices you have to make, kada. So my main struggle happened after I became a mother. And until that, even my parents were very supportive. My in-laws are very supportive for me to pursue dance. Alage, after I became a mother, my daughter is also extremely supportive. I mean, if without their support, I cannot do. Struggle వాళ్ళకి ఉంది because they allow me to pursue my passion. But ippudu, if I talk about it, having a homeopathic practice on one side and having to, teaching so many children on the other side and having to also balance your family. ఈ balancing lo maku koncha, that is the real struggle for me. But also constantly update cheyochu kada, like whatever we are learning, we cannot settle, oh I know everything, and you cannot settle in art. So constantly I innovate chesi, explore chesi. Aa natya shastralo anta details undi, one janma is not enough to learn everything. So akkada I constantly try to, do small workshops, learn from senior gurus and all. Srimati Indira Kadambi వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నేను అభినయ నేర్చుకున్నాను. Srimati Ramya Ram Narayan, from her I have learned a lot of abhinaya. So ila I keep, trying to still learn. A student in me is always alive to keep learning. Yeah, that has been
extraordinary. Multitasking చేయడం, it's like అది మనకు ఒక టాస్కే. చాలా ఏంటి, ఇట్ నీడ్స్ సో మచ్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ టు బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్. ఇన్నోవేషన్ కోసం మాట్లాడారు కాబట్టి ఐ హ్యావ్ గాన్ త్రూ యువర్ ప్రొఫైల్ అండ్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సీన్ యువర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ టెస్టిమోనియల్స్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్. అక్కడ ఐ హ్యావ్ సీన్ మెనీ పీపుల్ లైక్ రైటింగ్. Nirupama garu mainly focuses on expressions. So what I felt is everyone will concentrate on steps. Everyone will concentrate on mudras. But expression వేరే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుండి తీసుకొని రావడం, మనం చూపించి వాళ్ళకి నేర్పించడం, how is it possible?
Expression actually is very important in dance kada. Like you have a framework which is your footstep, mudra, hasta, idalli anta oka framework. A framework lo expression oste magic ostundi, lekapothe adi oka khaliga untundi. So this expression, ippudu kuda as I'm talking to you, I can see my teacher's face, teaching me and telling me all the story. So first thing which I understand is, ఇప్పుడు రామ ఆర్ కృష్ణ అంటే మీ దగ్గర ఒక ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది కదా, అది ఇక్కడ the children here, they don't have that image. They see in a statue, that's all, but they don't know who is Rama, who is Krishna, who is Ravana, who is Hiranyakashipu, who is Prahlada. ఇలా ఒక స్టోరీ లేదు వాళ్ళ దగ్గర. ఇప్పుడు ఆ స్టోరీ ఫెమిలరైజ్ చేయాలి. They should know what they are expressing, not just because a teacher is telling, oh ila smile cheyochu, ila angry ga undochu, and they cannot do. Why are you smiling? Why are you angry? So akkada storyline clarity is very important, and that takes time. So idi oka, sometimes we sit in class, we talk about stories, Google lo pictures chusda Shiva, in different poses, or Krishna in different poses, or sometimes we watch movies also together to, some segment of the movie, and I say chudu Hiranyakashipu is like this, because ikkada the moment they have the understanding, expressions natural ga vastundi. Understanding create cheyatame my responsibility. So after that they are able to, do it in their own way. Obviously adi oka journey, it doesn't come away, right? But students, they feel that connect to the role. And we do a lot of productions, especially for this, we do a lot of productions where each child is given a role. Annual day, first వాళ్ళు dance చేస్తారు, whatever, margam traditional pieces నేర్చుకున్నారో అది అంతా they will dance. తర్వాత we do 1.5 hours production. like a Dashawataram or Navadurga or Krishna story, and we take, and everybody gets a role and they understand the story behind it. So when they do that, oh, that is why I'm angry. Oh, that is why Rama is like this. Oh, Sita ante I have to be like this. That understanding comes to them.
ఆ కనెక్షన్ అనేది రియలీ ఇట్స్ నెసెసరీ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ డాన్సర్. సో మన ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ అది కనిపించడానికి అది. బట్ మీరు ఈ విధంగా చెప్పడం ఇట్స్ రియలీ సో గ్రేట్ అండ్ వండర్ఫుల్. అంటే డాన్స్ చేస్తున్న వాళ్ళు ఒక డాన్సే కాకుండా అది ఎదుటి వాళ్ళు ఫీల్ అయ్యేలా, మెయిన్లీ ఆడియన్స్ లైక్ అస్ మిమ్మల్ని చూసి మేము ఫీల్ అయ్యేలా చేస్తున్నందుకు ఇట్ విల్ బి సో సో వండర్ఫుల్. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి కూడా నేను చూసాను, నట్టువంగం మీరు మ్యూజిక్ డాన్స్ రెండు మీరే చేస్తారంట. సో ఐ హావ్ సీన్ దిస్ ట్రెండ్ పాతకాలంలో, ద ఇనిషియల్ డాన్సర్స్ హూ క్రియేటెడ్ డాన్స్ కి ఒక స్టాంప్ వేసేసి ఇది ఒక మంచి ఆర్ట్ ఫామ్, దీన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకువెళ్ళాలి అని అనుకున్న వాళ్ళందరూ అప్పట్లో ఇది చేసేవారట. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చేస్తున్నారు అనగానే నాకు ఐ ఫెల్ట్ సో హ్యాపీ. ఓ సమ్మన్ ఈస్ దేర్ లైక్ స్టిల్ ప్రమోటింగ్ అని చెప్పి. సో అది ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేస్తున్నారు మీరు? సో ఆర్ యు కంటిన్యూయింగ్ దట్?
Adi actually my teacher used to do that. So she used to sing amazingly, and Nattuvangam obviously was very natural to teach her. Nattuvangam is actually very important aspect of dance. But ippudu em ayindi, like weekly one class or two classes children come, adilo so much we cannot teach right away. I used to live with my teacher. How much ever classes, like 4 or 5 days a week, we are going to her. And my teacher, all performances, annual days, Salanga Pujas, Ranga Praveshams, she would sing and she would do the talam. Adi chusi naku adi natural ga, I could take it up. I was trained in music also. And okasari in class, when we are assisting the class, we are just, what we are singing and my teacher is doing it. And the same thing I was also doing. So my teacher looked at me and then she said, Idigo, take the talam and try it. That is how she didn't give this opportunity to many students in her school. She gave it to a very select few. Teacher, senior disciple Srimati Padmini Radhakrishnan is also great in this. She is in Mumbai. She is learning a dance school called Saundarya Natya Kalalaya. And ippudu I want to take training from Padmini Garu also to continue this. But whatever Ranga Praveshams I did in India, I sang and I did all the talam for all of them. Ikkada I'm going to do one in next year. I will definitely invite you for that. Please do come.
Thank you so much. It's my pleasure. Yeah. So it's like so wonderful, so nice. మీ రంగప్రవేశం కోసం చెప్పారు కాబట్టి, సో ద బెస్ట్ షో ఆఫ్ యోర్స్ విచ్ యూ లవ్డ్ ద మోస్ట్, ఆ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఇప్పుడు తలుచుకున్నా యుల్ గెట్ గూస్ బంప్స్ అన్న ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏమన్నా మాతో షేర్ చేసుకుంటారా?
మాకు శివరాత్రిలో డాన్స్ whenever I do, there is no word. Every Shivratri is amazing for me. Big temple or small temple, wherever it is, I am very happy to perform in Shivratri. So temples lo dance cheyatame maaku ishtam. Big auditoriums, and that is for people. But for me, dance comes from a place of offering. So it is like an offering. Okay, puja, when a puja is done to any god, we say, Geeta Seva, Nritya Seva, and then, Chamara Seva. Then you do the different Seva for the god. So, adilo okati Nritya Seva. So, essence of dance is to offer it. So, I always feel the energy whenever I dance in temples. And otherwise, I have particularly, when I was younger, I think I remember those moments more. When I danced, when I was, after you grow as a dancer, you keep dancing, and then there is, you keep learning. Every performance there is something to learn. But when you're younger and you're dancing, akada your learning is chala ekku. So our experiences are mistake cheste, the sadness or the happiness. Teacher, you did well, and a teacher, when she says, the happiness you get, those memories are very special to me.
Very nice, Andi. So nice, so nice. గురువు గారు అనేది ఎవ్రీవన్ అందరికి చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండ్ వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ లో మెయిన్ రోల్ ప్లే చేస్తారు. సో వాట్స్ యువర్ గురుస్ రోల్ ఇన్ యువర్ లైఫ్? హౌ డిడ్ ఇట్ ఆల్ చేంజ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్?
My Guru Srimati Rajalakshmi Venkateshwar. I don't know where to start and how to describe the relationship. But what I have, like she passed away in last June, she passed away. So a teacher was very old by then. But, like she has given her understanding inside me. When I think, when I act, whatever I choreograph, whatever I, a step, what step I should put, what kind of expression I have to bring it. All of this I have learned from what she has given me. And the dance teacher role is not just teaching dance. You have to teach about your culture, you have to teach about your heritage, you have to teach what is do, what is don't, okay, mental makeup, okay, emotional makeup, okay, physical strength, everything, okay, wholesome guy, you have to give dance to your student. Adi, the most amazing thing is she did not say anything, she did everything. So Adi, when you watch it, naturally you are able to, it comes from, that is why this teaching is in Guru Shishya Parampara Katha, because you cannot just teach dance as a movement, it is an experience. Our sincerity, our discipline, our time management, the motivation, teacher positive encouragement, and I'm also a teacher like that. I don't believe classical dance means you have to be strict. You have to be strict, but I don't believe you have to teach with fear. Like, students should not learn something because they are afraid of the teacher, right? So she was like that. She was strict, but she was also loving at the same time. So I think whatever I am today, whatever, why I pursue dance as a teacher, as a student, is all because of her, all because of the encouragement and the knowledge she has given.
Perfect Andy. Wherever she is, she'll listen this and she'll be like so happy. And back ki malli family loki velipodam. To every female dancer, I feel like asking a question. It might be based on the traditions which we have in India. So oka female anagane, ఫీమేల్ డాన్సర్ అనగానే వాళ్ళు డాన్స్ వైపు వెళ్తానంటే ఎంకరేజ్ చేయని సొసైటీ ఉంది. సో హౌ డిడ్ యూ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్? డాన్స్ చూస్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడైనా, లేదంటే డాన్స్ పాత్ లో వెళ్ళేటప్పుడైనా, హౌ డిడ్ యూ మేనేజ్ ఆల్ దోస్ డిస్కరేజ్మెంట్స్ అరౌండ్ యూ? సో ఇంట్లో వాళ్ళు ఎట్లా ఉన్నారు? సో మీరు ముందుకు వెళ్లే కొద్దిగా ఆ ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ కొనసాగిందా లేదా మాకు తెలుసుకోవాలనుంది.
అది చిన్నప్పుడు ఐ వుడ్ డూ టూ మచ్ డాన్సింగ్, టూ మచ్. ఆల్ నా ఫ్రీ పీరియడ్ ఉంటుంది కదా స్కూల్లో, ఆ ఫ్రీ పీరియడ్ లో ఐ వుడ్ బి ఇన్ సమ్ ఈవెంట్ ప్రాక్టీస్. అది తర్వాత ఐ వుడ్ డూ జాగ్రఫీ క్లాస్ కట్ చేసి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేద్దాం, మ్యాథ్ క్లాస్ కట్ చేసి ప్రాక్టీస్. అక్కడ మై టీచర్స్ themselves said you have to focus on studies, you are going on and dance too much ani. I think a studies and dance balance cheyatam is really a big time management skill. See, problem comes when you are not managing everything, right? When you are managing everything and also doing your dance, people do not have so much of an issue, like family members, I mean to say. But in that place, I would like to say, like I said before, my parents, my in-laws, my husband, they have been a rock solid pillar support for me. So Maku, I think I'm very blessed and fortunate that my parents and my in-laws both have my father-in-law once told me, when will you go and perform? I will bring tiffin box for you, Adi. It is very special for me that, in olden times, somebody would carry the food and go. He would just mention it. But that is something that is very, special to me. Our love, our blessings. If I didn't have that, I would not be where I am now. But if you talk about, objections and all, Some family people think, oh, enduku you are doing all this, you can just take care of your family, and but that is their mindset. We all choose to do what we want to do, right? So yeah.
ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ అండి. ఐ విష్ ఈ ఫ్యామిలీ ఎంకరేజ్మెంట్ ఆర్ట్ ఫామ్ మీద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ దొరికితే మన ఆర్ట్ ఫార్మ్స్ అన్ని they'll be like so high.
So many parents actually bring their children to me and said, I wanted to learn dance, but my parents didn't allow. This is a common, thing when they tell me when they are bringing, or I wanted to learn, but, my family thought it is not okay to do dance. They didn't want me to learn. So that way I am definitely blessed too.
Very nice. సో మీ డాన్స్ జర్నీ కొనసాగుతున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఒక బెస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అనేది ఉంటుంటది. ఐ హ్యాడ్ దిస్ బెస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అని. సో క్యాన్ యూ షేర్ దట్ బెస్ట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఆన్ స్టేజ్?
ఒకసారి we were doing a Dashavatam piece where we were doing the Vamana Avatara. So akkada I was the king. Vamana Avataram, he keeps the leg on King Bali, right? So I was the king. So see, this is the thing. If I am saying this, but then again I think of few more instances where we have done. But you see the Vamana becoming in Vishwarupa, and it is a very simple. See, the story is not that great that it is inspirational in that way. But for me, that moment to imagine Vishnu coming up as, in his full Vishwarupam, that is something that I felt lot of goosebumps doing that role. Adilaga Draupadi, Dushasana, Krishna, that Draupadi Vastraharana scene, that Adi Chesnappudu, I have lot of, with the kind of the world that it is today, kada. So many events are happening. So I am like, where are you, Krishna, today? Where are you? Adi, so many people are in pain. So you must come. Ani, I really bring out all that prayer inside me. It naturally comes. So Allaga, those, wherever I do Abhinaya, I am there 100%. There is no, every experience is, but one thing, okka experience which I had when I was younger is my teacher Akasari, she had a big production, Krishna story. Appudu first teacher told me, I will make you Krishna ani. Tarvata she said, no, I will make you Arjuna ani. Tarvata then she said, no, you will be Kamsa. She kept changing the role. Last lo she said, no, you be the Dwarapalaka ani. A Dwarapalaka, when Vasudeva and Devaki are in the prison, a Dwarapalaka has to make sure that, they cannot go, and he goes off to sleep. Ante role. But, so, as a young student, you think, oh, I want to do this role, oh, I want to do that role, you want to do all this, kada. Appudu teacher said, no, just this role, finally. And I was very, very upset. I went to my house and I was crying, and I said, Amma, teacher said she'll make me this, she'll make me that, but she didn't make me anything. Finally, she gave me this role. Then my mother told me one thing, whatever your teacher gave you, it is the best for you. Do that role with 100% sincerity. And she said, and Tarvata, we rehearsed that role, like what we should do for that. 2 minutes scene adi. And I was doing this, lot of things we prepared with my mother's. That's why, my mother is, I know what she has given me. So with that, that Dwarapalaka scene was a hit because adi oka comedy laga, we brought it out. And then my teacher calls me up after the annual day, and she called and she told my mother that, what did your girl do? Everybody remembers only the Dwarapalaka, not Krishna, not Arjuna, not Kamsa. So appudu I learned, it doesn't matter what role you get. Enta sincerity to oka tree laga, if you have to stand, you have to do that with sincerity. Oka bird laga, if you have to go, so 100% when you give, the effect comes across. So adi, that is one lesson which I also tell my students, that sometimes students productions chestaru, they want to be the main role, everybody wants to be Narasimha. So appudu I tell them that your 100% has to come through ani.
Yeah, exactly, Andy. Whatever you told is like so true. Whatever you do, it should be perfect. ఏం చేసామా అన్నది కాదు కానీ చేసేవన్నీ పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా చేసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతే ఇట్ విల్ బి వండర్ఫుల్. నిరుపమ గారు, డాన్స్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అంటూ అందరికీ ఉంటారు. సో మీ డాన్స్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఎవరు, ఎందుకు?
చిన్నప్పుడు మా డాన్స్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ మా క్లోజ్ ఫ్రెండ్ దీపా అని. షీఈస్ 2 years elder to me and she used to dance. అది చూసి మాకు చాలా ఇంట్రెస్ట్, భరతనాట్యం చెయ్యాలి అని. సో ఐ థింక్ she was my friend. That is how so many children come and join the class kada. But as I started learning, I absolutely love watching Srimati Priyadarshini Govind. She's an amazing dancer. This Srimati Indira Kadambi Abhinaya, I also take Abhinaya lessons from her, workshops and all. And I really enjoy Srimati Priyadarshini Govind, Srimati Indira Kadambi, and lately I also take Abhinaya lessons from Srimati Ramya Ram Narayan. So Srimati Janaki Rangarajan, I always, or half the time I'm watching and I'm learning, because see, watching is very important. Ikkada we don't get the chance to go for live performances so much kada, like it is in India. So I tell my students also that keep watching people who are professional dancers, who are still dancing actively, because adi, the inspiration that it gives you, it is matchless. It is matchless. Yes.
వండర్ఫుల్ అండి. అందరికీ ఒక ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఖచ్చితంగా అవసరం. సో ఐ థింక్ మీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ మీరే ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అనుకుంటా. యు ఆర్ లైక్ సో కూల్, సో హ్యాపీ. ఫేస్ లోనే తెలిసిపోతుంది దట్ యు ఆర్ లైక్ హ్యాపీ సోల్ అనేది. సో ఐఎమ్ ష్యూర్ మీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ మీరే ఇన్స్పిరేషన్. అండ్ ఈ రోజు మీతో మాట్లాడినప్పుడు యూ బికేమ్ ఆర్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ టు. ఇంత కూల్ గా అన్ని మల్టీ టాస్కింగ్ చేసుకుంటూ యు ఆర్ డీలింగ్ విత్ ఎవ్రీ వన్, యాజ్ ఎ హోమియోపతి డాక్టర్, యాజ్ ఎ డాన్సర్, యాజ్ ఎ టీచర్. ఇట్స్ లైక్ వండర్ఫుల్ ఫీల్. విమెన్ అందరికి యు ఆర్ లైక్ అన్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ట్రూలీ. ఇప్పుడు నేనే ఉన్నాను, ఇన్ని మీరు చేస్తుంటే నేనేం చేస్తున్నానా అన్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది. చెయ్యగలం అనే థాట్ వస్తే వీ క్యాన్ డూ. చెయ్యలేము అంటే వీ కాన్ డూ ఫర్ ఎవర్. సో వెరీ నైస్ నిరుపమ వెంకటేషన్ గారు, మీ జర్నీ స్టార్ట్ చేసినందుకు, ఈ షోలో కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నందుకు రియలీ ఐ ఫీల్ సో ఆనర్డ్ టు టాక్ టు యూ. అండ్ ఇక్కడితో ఆపడానికి వీల్లేదు. We wanted to continue your professional journey too, and we wanted to talk about all your experiences. Thank you so much, Nirupama garu, maato ee evening vachinanduku. And next week ide time ki we will be here. And guys, ippudu manam oka andamaina performance Nirupama garidi chuseddama. Let's watch.
मैं एक बिंदु हूं, साथ ही सिंधु हूं। मैं आज्ञा चक्र का स्थान हूं। मैं ओमकार हूं। ओम आ ओ म मुझ में ही समाहित हूं। मैं ओंकेश्वर हूं। मैं त्रिकोण का अंतिम स्थान हूं। मैं सृष्टि का रूप हूं। मैं देवी का रूप हूं। मैं ही एक शिव का स्वरूप हूं। मैं बिंदु हूं। मैं ओम का अंतिम अक्षर हूं। मैं हूं। मैं कन्या का वरदान हूं। मैं सुहागन की पहचान हूं।
Wonderful performance, Andy. Really so nice. We are like blessed to watch all your performances. And guys, ఈ రోజు ఇంతటితో ఆపేసి నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. And don't forget, don't miss the show next week. And please follow us in our Facebook page, Mana TV, and our YouTube channel, Mana TV, and our live streaming, Yak TV. Please do follow us. Thank you.